Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite tips. Today we are going to make fried rice, 炒饭. This recipe is super easy to make. You only need 5 ingredients and 3 seasonings. Even kids can make it, and the result just simply classic and delicious. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. Green onion, 8 to 10 sticks. White rice, 4 cups. For rice here, I use overnight rice because when we fried it, it won't stick together. And shrimp, 240 grams. You can also choose any meat you want, or if you are vegetarian, you can choose tofu or impossible meat. 4 eggs, 3 cubes of crushed garlic from Trader Joe. But you can also chop your own garlic. For the seasoning, we use black pepper, soy sauce, and salt for each 2 teaspoons. First, we cut the green onion. We don't want the front part and the bottom part. So cut it away, okay? And then cut it in half and put them together equally. And we are going to cut it into tiny pieces. And now we are going to marinate the shrimp. Use 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix the shrimp with salt. Okay. And now it's ready to cook our fried rice. Use a wok, turn on the heat to the high heat. Wait until the pot is hot. And then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Rinse the oil. And wait until the oil is hot. So now you can see a little bit smoke coming out. So it means the oil in the pot is hot enough. So we put the egg inside. 1, 2. 3, 4. Quickly stir. Fry the egg until it's tender. And set it aside. We're going to pour our shrimp. So, wait until the shrimp is half done. Pour the rice. Add the garlic, chopped crushed garlic. For the green onion, add soy sauce, and some salt, black pepper, Alright, the fried rice is ready. We're going to bring it to the plate. Okay, turn off the heat. Alright, so this is our fried rice today. It's easy to make and fast. Also, it's very delicious. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Also, let me know your score for this fried rice recipe from 1 to 10. 10 is the best in the comment below, as well as any feedback. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. See you next time!